Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the content ready. On your iPhone X, open GarageBand. This avoids a computer step and keeps the process fast. Once GarageBand is open, create an audio recorder or import an MP3/WAV from files or voice memos. Trim the clip roughly to the part you want. You will refine timing in the next step. Make sure the clip is under 30 seconds because iOS requires that length for ringtones. This is why you work in GarageBand rather than the music app. Now you edit. Tap the track to zoom, drag trim handles and nudge with the timeline so the hook hits at the start. This makes identification instant when it rings. Add a small fade out or fade in so the cut sounds natural, and check the section setting to ensure the project is 30 seconds or less. Otherwise, iOS will reject it. Once satisfied, choose Share, pick Ringtone, enter a name, and export. GarageBand converts and formats it correctly for your iPhone. Finally, apply the ringtone. After export, GarageBand offers you sound as, or go to Settings, Sounds, and Haptics Ringtone to pick your new tone. You can set it as default or assign it to a contact for quick identification. Test immediately by calling your number or asking a friend to call. If the tone doesn't appear, make sure the export completed. If necessary, re-export from GarageBand or, on Mac OS, sync the ringtone via Finder or iTunes. This fixes cases where the file didn't transfer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.